Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Andrew here. Today is my last video for my LeadsLeap beginners tutorial, and today it's part 6, and we are going to cover the rest of the features, the rest of the tools that we didn't cover in our last video. Now, before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, also hit that notification bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Now let's jump to my LeadsLeap account, and here we are. The features that we are covering in this video today are this one here: view followers, message followers, affiliate links and tools, affiliate traffic stats, insider advertising report, and one sign up a day, which is very effective. Okay, so view followers. Let's jump into the first feature, view followers. LeadsLeap calls them followers. I like to call them referrals, direct referrals. Now, as you can see this graph here, there are 10 levels plus an S level. These are spillover referrals, spillover followers, and this is a feature only for pro member. So it's basically random referrals. Whenever a visitor signs up on LeadsLeap through its home page, it means that he or she is not anyone else's direct referral. Then LeadsLeap distributes them to all of its pro member. And since I've been a pro, I never downgraded my account, and I got 118 spillover referrals. Now, except for the first level, in all other levels you don't get commissions for every upgrade they made. All right, commissions for upgrade you get only for referrals in your first level. So these are people that you referred directly. The second level are people that your direct referral referred to LeadsLeap, and so on until the 10th level. Alright, so again, commissions, affiliate commissions, you get only from your first level direct referrals or direct followers. And here are all your followers on the first level, of course, and you can filter them by, I filter them by join date in order to see if they were active or not. And if we click these stats here, you will see how many clicks the referral did within 13 days. Yeah, within 2 weeks. All right, simple as that. So it's kind of great, guys, because say if you refer 10 persons as your level 1 direct referrals, but say they like LeadsLeap very much, all right, and they start promoting it from themselves to get direct referrals from their selves. So imagine if each one of that gets 10 direct referrals, then it means that in the second level you will have 100 direct referrals. All right, now from all the levels including level 1 you earn advertising credits. It's the overriding credits that we mentioned in my previous video on my LeadsLeap tutorial. All right, so this purple bar here, these are all credits that I'm getting on a daily basis by all my active followers, referrals, no matter what level they're in. All right, next feature, message followers. Now all your followers that you have, you can send them a message. You can message them. Actually, it's not like you send them, but you just compose the message and your followers will see your message on their back office, can see their message of their back office as a message from their upline, right? So it's simple as that. You just click here, enter a text, obviously something that will attract attention, and then you enter the URL that you want to promote. All right, now I created this 20 days ago. I just got 3 real visits from my followers. All right, I know it's not much, but it's not nothing either. Okay, and as I mentioned in the video before this, in the previous video, a lot of my direct referrals on the first level are not active at all. Okay, more than half of them are inactive, are 100% inactive. I don't know why, probably maybe because when they signed up on LeadsLeap, maybe they saw all these tools and all these features, got overwhelmed by it, etc. So don't be scared when you sign up on LeadsLeap from all these tools. It's very simple. You just take your time, take it one step at a time, and also consult with the helping page in every feature. Alright, now let's jump to affiliate links and tools. Now this goes without saying, here you can find all your tools necessary to promote your LeadsLeap account, and there are 5 different links you can use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the link from the home page, which has your referral ID, of course. This is the social review on LeadsLeap, so let's preview it. And there you go. Here you can find some reviews from other people using LeadsLeap. And this guy here, Kenneth Ko, as you can see, 87,000 followers. This is the owner and founder of LeadsLeap. And it's a great guy, actually. He personally replies to any email you might send to LeadsLeap. Alright? 87,000 followers. Anyways, so the next link to promote would be one sign up a day, but we are going to mention this when we talk about the feature one sign up a day. Alright, free link tracking service. This is the link where you promote directly the real tracker, the track app menu that we talked in my previous video. So if we preview it, there you go. This is the page that a visitor will see, and if he wants to join LeadsLeap, might as well click join for free here. Alright, the next link is pop-up expert. You can also promote this pop-up expert, but I don't use this because, like I said, it's related to the opt-in form, pop-ups form, which I don't really use in my sales funnel. Okay, but you can, if you understand them very well and if you've used them before, you can also use it here. Alright, and affiliate traffic stats is all the statistics for the last 30 days for the traffic you drive to your LeadsLeap affiliate link. Alright, so this is just for LeadsLeap, obviously. There you go. All the traffic sources I use, all the traffic exchange sites, all the mailing, safe list, email, traffic, whatever site I've been using to promote LeadsLeap and to get as many referrals as possible. Alright, so the next menu is Learn. Now here is an insider advertising report, okay, but I suggest you download the book. Sorry, this you can read online. I suggest if you have free time, you read this. I didn't read this one, but I read the next one, which is one sign up a day, and this is an article by one guy who signed up on LeadsLeap and his success was wow, you know. So there you go, this is the whole report. Now this is what I wanted to show about this report, because of course I'm not gonna go through it all of this, but this is what happened with this guy. He promoted LeadsLeap and introduced it to 68 persons whom became his first level direct referrals, right? So what happened next? Here you can see the statistic. What happened next is that these people apparently like LeadsLeap so much that they started promoting it very hard, right? So they started getting direct referrals for themselves, which became second level direct referrals from this guy. Alright, and think about it, with 60 and so on, obviously, until the 10th level. And think about it, this guy with only 68 direct referrals at the end got in total 21,407 referrals. Alright, so see the number here. This is 3,000, guys. This is 3,500, so the 5th level. It means that the referrals from the 4th level found in total altogether almost 3,500 referrals. So think about the amount of advertising credits you will earn every day from all these referrals. and of course you can then encash them or use to advertise your credit ads, as we mentioned before. Alright, so this one sign up a day is also an affiliate link which has your affiliate ID on it, this one here. So let's preview it. It will look just like this whenever you promote it. Whenever a visitor clicks on it, will look just like this, and the visitor either might download it or read it online. And if he or she reads it online, whenever there is a button to join LeadsLeap, will be your affiliate ID in it. Okay, so the person that joins LeadsLeap while reading this article that you promoted will be your direct referral. Alright, whenever you can see a link text, right? Here, join this powerful system here. If someone clicks here, will be my direct referral. Alright, simple as that. So this is a great strategy. I strongly suggest you read it and start promoting it. And guys, it's very possible. Alright, so if someone loves LeadsLeap, they will start promoting it and you will get followers on 10 levels. And of course, if you are a pro member, you will get also spillover followers. Alright, so this video is all about these features. Now let me just make a brief summary what we've done here. So we've covered how to advertise on LeadsLeap. There are two ways. You can actually, there are a lot of ways, but basically you can create your own campaigns. As a pro member, you can create 20 campaigns, 10 credit ads, 10 pro ads. As a free member, you can create only 3 credit ads. You can write reviews for different sites you view and then share it with others. You can also write recommendations, again from sites you use, and you can read others' review. Whenever you want to promote a link on LeadsLeap or in any other platform, I suggest you convert it to a track app link using LeadsLeap, and then you can track your traffic and see which site is working for your link. Also, you can create rotators, and you can also add bars to your page that you are promoting. And the tools menu is, according to me, is the most important thing, because here you can create your sales funnel. So I suggest you really study this for real, okay? And here is the section where you can make money. There are 4 ways to make money with LeadsLeap: daily active bonus, credit encashment, PPC earning, and of course affiliate commissions. Okay, so I think this is it for my whole LeadsLeap tutorials, guys. Actually, it's for beginners, of course. However, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment sections down below. And if you like the video, then be sure to share it and make sure also to subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that. Thank you a lot and see you in the next video. Cheers.